Hi, this is Andynathan with Andynathan.net. Going over today TweetAdder. TweetAdder is one of the software tools that I use to build up my Twitter following, and here on one of my secondary accounts, Check Goodies, which is for my website www.checkoutthegoodies.com. Anyways, the reason why I'm on here is very simple. I use it because it's a great way to automate your Twitter following. Because you know what, I have a number of accounts. It's sometimes hard for me to follow everybody, so one of the ways that I like to do it is just find accounts that I could is find easier ways to do it so I don't have to do everything myself because I don't have that much time, and I'm sure most people on this call don't have this much time either. So one of the things I'm going to show you is the great thing about TweetAdder is you could do searches by a number of different ways just to build your following. So if you want to do by certain keywords, you could do it that way. You could type in like real estate investors, and you just go search and you can get a list of real estate investors. Additionally, if you want to do it by location, you could do it that way. One of the things that I love about TweetAdder is that when you're on the system, you can actually go search by followers of another user. So for example, if I want to type in Andynathan here and I want Check Goodies, which I really don't, to follow all of my followers on Andynathan at Twitter, then I can just go search. It'll actually bring up a list of all those followers. I'm not going to do it right now because it's in, as you can see here, we're in the process of the follow and unfollow. That's actually what I do. I followed another user's followers just to get additional followers for myself, and it's a great way of doing it because you know what? People who are successful, you like to emulate them, and that's really what I've done here. Additionally, I get to determine how many people I'm following every day, how many users I follow back. I follow back 50 every day, and the maximum follows to send per day, which I have set right now at 300, and that's actually a good thing because I'm going to raise that to 500. So now that means altogether I can't follow more than 500 people every day. So more than likely I won't follow the full 500 here. If I wanted to, I could change this to 550. That's okay. I'm okay with that. Ooh, and you actually get to see the switching to a next account, which is the Mensa Cats, which is mensacats.com account for myself. And this one here, as you can see, you start off, everything starts off by unfollowing first, and as it goes through the unfollow process here, it'll unfollow 100 people on this account for Mensa Cats, and then afterwards I could maximum to unfollow every day is 200 people. Right now I really don't need to unfollow that many people since there's only 135 here anyways. It's really, for me, it's just a way to keep track of people who don't follow me, and that's really what I like to do. I don't even really want to, I don't want to unfollow too many people, but I could set each account at a different level, which is actually a very crucial thing for me. I don't have to have every single account do the same thing. So aside from that, if I want to send a message, I could actually do automated messages here as well. Maximum messages per day to send are 100. If I also want to do tweets from here, I could do tweets. I could preset them. I could load them from a file. I could do a lot of different cool things in terms of the tweets. I don't use this as much. I use Social Oomph, which I've talked about in previous blog posts, so I'm not going to get too much into that since I don't use it that much here. Additionally, though, if I want to do preset replies, I can also do that as well. So if someone sends me a tweet, I could say thank you for contacting me. I am really happy and have a great day. And also I get to set automation things, so follow back users automatically, follow uh, and then automatically follow users, and then if I wanted to set automatic messages as well. So for me, this is really just a very nice little tool. It allows me to get everything done. Also, one of the things I like here is I can delete all my direct messages because the ones that contain URLs, because I don't know about you, I get a lot of junk mail in my Twitter message box, so it's a good way for me just to get rid of that. This is Andynathan with Andynathan.net. Our Twitter goal is the first account to 10 million followers. Take a look at our blog online and follow us on Twitter. Up, up, and away!